If you've been wondering how to link ChatGPT with Gmail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can connect the tools quickly and get set up without confusion. This is a simple method, but I'll go slowly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Gmail in your browser. Once you're on the Gmail or Google Workspace area, look to the right side of the screen and click the plus icon. This opens the Add-ons section, where you can browse and install tools that connect with your Google account. Next, click on Get Add-Ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for integrations and extensions. In the search bar, type ChatGPT so you can find the right option. In this case, the app you want to select is WorkGPT. Once you see it in the results, click on WorkGPT to open the app page. On the app page, click Install. Google will now begin the authorization process, which is completely normal when connecting a third-party app. After that, click Continue when prompted. You may see another confirmation screen, so click Continue again if needed. These prompts are just asking for permission so the app can connect properly with your Gmail account. Once the setup finishes, click Done. And that's it. ChatGPT is now linked with Gmail through the add-on you installed. From here, you can begin using the connection for faster email workflows, smarter drafting, and more efficient inbox management. If you are following along, you should now be fully set up and ready to explore what the integration can do. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials.